Hello, everybody. This is Ben Carson. I'm running for president of the United States. Right now, you're listening to these two men. I guess, they may or may not be Muslim. If they were, I would treat them differently. I've repaired the brains of several babies. Essentially that means that I'm qualified to do things, such as tell you that the opinions of these two niggas right here may not be necessarily the opinions of Red Bull or anybody associated with them. Have you ever seen the brain of a giraffe? Clearly, you're not qualified to run this country. You can use your social media accounts to follow these two gentlemen at Desus Nice, at The Kid Mero, and at Bodega Boys. That's on the Twitter application for your cellular phone. Have you ever seen the sternum of a penguin? I've repaired several. I went to Botswana and made a brain out of sticks. That means that I can be the president. Have a good evening, y'all.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, Bodega Boys episode 3.
Three.
To the third.
I did the mellow three.
You did the three taps. It's your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Desus El Fuego, aka Desus 1994 in Nueva York.
Yo, it's the Kid Mero, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka PayPal me and I'll shoot George Zimmerman, aka
I got your money on deck, cuz I'm sending it via Google Wallet because I'm a droid person.
Oh shit, droid person. That's like slang for your butt. You
droid person.
Yo, son. Yo, got the pack in my droid purse.
In my droid purse. Fuck you.
Holla.
Fuck you. That's why you spent like $500 on a new Apple charger off the rip. We ain't been doing the intro. We going right to the phone wars.
That's right. Phone wars. Yo, this is crazy. aka Curve Gotti.
A.K.A. Poppy Pap Smear. A.K.A. the Newport GPS.
That's right.
Okay.
I'll find it.
He got names, yo. We got names. We out here. Shout out to all our fans, all our listeners. Everyone that's been rocking with the podcast has been getting great reviews with top 20 and iTunes. Shout out to Wardrobe Mafia live audience in the room.
Yeah.
Make some noise.
Turn
Victor
up.
in the house. Super Engineer Joe is back. Split out here.
Yo.
All right. Shout out
I just
to
want a
make
playoff
sure to follow and subscribe to iTunes on the Bodega Boys.
That's right.
Bodega Boys on iTunes. Also, shout out to our subreddit.
That's right.
The Bodega Boys. Be sure to check that out when you are not looking at racist posts, calling people monkeys, and telling black people how they could fix their own problems,
That's right.
even though you have never seen a black person and you live in Oregon.
Enjoy this non-racist fucking atom that exists on Reddit.
But yes, thanks for everybody that's rocking with. Yo, shout out to Lipstick Alley. They had some
Shit.
very nice things to say to us.
Oh, shit.
So we have a new contest. It's the Paint Your Face with Bay contest. Basically, if you win it, I will spend all day with you shopping at various Sephoras, whichever
shit.
you want to go to. Then I'll go back to your house. I will watch you apply the makeup using a YouTube tutorial.
Shit.
And then after that, you put your head between my legs. And I scratch your scalp, ma.
Oh,
that's the good stuff, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Look at the other ladies here, like, yo, that's cool. That's better than Netflix and chill, all right?
We're doing Empire Chill.
Yo, go scratch your boo's scalp. Get a rat tail comb and scratch your boo's scalp.
Wow.
Okay? Desus is giving you relationship advice. Why? Because winter is coming.
Yeah, it's for,
all right? And what comes with winter? Cuffing season.
Cuffing. You got to cuff.
The cuff.
You got to cuff.
And you know what? A lot of people don't realize that relationships are terrible.
I was about to be like, word.
No, if you think about it, you have to open your third eye. Because look, when you are enslaved...
Let's get woke.
You want to get woke?
Let's get woke.
You want to get woke?
Yeah.
When the cops arrest you, what do they put on?
Cuffs.
Cuffs.
Oh, shit.
Cuffing season, chain and cuff.
Oh shit, restraint
Chains
season.
and cuffs were used to make slaves. Slaves came over in slave ships, relationships. Follow it.
Oh wow!
Boom! I just blew your mind. Shout out to Jaden Smith. When I met him at the VMAs, he gave me that power.
You were enlightened.
I was enlightened. I'm woke. I'm so woke right now. I got coffee beans in my butt.
I wish you could see this nigga's aura right now.
I'm floating. I'm not even on the chair. I'm not even here. Just my aura's here.
He looks
man.
like fucking Dawson from Street Fighter.
Yo, as always, shout out to Red Bull Studios.
I already know.
They're always out here. They're holding us down.
That's
they keep
right.
these sounds coming through your ear holes.
Yo, every time, you know what? Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
It's lit.
I'm just gonna start drop. I'm gonna start doing that in real life, like Pathmark and shit. Yeah,
Just do the drop. Tell your wife to do the drop.
I'm gonna do it, and I'll be like, "Yo, say do the drop." And she'll be like,
drop.
live from why? Just do it. Live from Red Bull Studios.
That's my thing now. Like during sex, I'm like, do the drop.
Do the drop.
You like that girl? You like that girl? Do the drop. Do the drop right there. Do the drop.
Yo,
Live from Red Bull Studio. I'm like, oh yeah.
do it again.
Oh, you gave me wings.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, listen to me. Go to on the internet and go to redbullstudios.com/New York. And go on Twitter at RB Studios NY and also Instagram. It's the same name, so you don't gotta look for anything different. There's no underscores, no funny shit.
And if you leave your house, if you're not like some weirdo introvert that's making a BuzzFeed article about how you're introverted and when you come around people, your energy dissolves, you can come to the actual real Red Bull Studios at 220 West 18th Street.
Yo,
and it's lit. And we were just in some sort of hookah lounge or something, a real hookah lounge, not an uptown hookah lounge where a girl with butt shots is trying to sell you peppermint tobacco.
Papi, I'm sorry, but you don't have no more hookah refill. That's it. You finished. You have to go out of here. Okay? You're talking to the Senya too much. She don't like you. She have a boyfriend. He's Julio right here.
Yo, shout out to everyone that goes to hookah lounges, and it's 8 of y'all, but there's only 2 mouthpieces.
Oh,
how's that going?
That's when you're really down with the team.
That's when you really listen.
No, we all getting herpes.
Listen, we all got the herp. If he got the herp, I got the herp. That's my best friend. You know how we go.
Yo, is your shit like flourishing right now? Yeah, my shit is like flaring up.
I see you with that cold sore, my G. That's big for the winter. Cold sores are in. All right, that's our tutorial guide for you.
That's right. You know what else is in, son?
What's in?
You know what I'm saying? If we're talking about infectious diseases, you know what I'm saying, in the Bronx.
Oh, it's lit.
You know what I'm saying? Legionnaires Disease is
I'm
back.
sorry, yo. Shout out BX all day. We're from the Bronx, born and raised.
That's right.
And I mean, I don't want to brag.
You know what I mean?
Only one borough right now. It's quiet for Brooklyn. Y'all don't got the Legionnaires, all right?
No,
when was the last time y'all had some sort of respiratory illness running through your water coolers?
Yep.
Okay?
Nope.
All right, we got that.
It's exclusive to the Bronx.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's at Lehman High School right now getting his GED.
My alma mater.
You know what I'm saying? It's just trying to come up, you know what I mean? And
I relate so personally to this Legionnaires disease. The hospital I was born at, Lincoln Hospital, has Legionnaires.
Oh, yeah.
My high school has Legionnaires. Everything I've ever loved in my life has Legionnaires. I'm about to call my high school ex-girlfriend, Tamika, and be like, you got Legionnaires,
You got Legionnaires, man?
What's going on?
What's up? Talk to me.
How you
Shout
doing?
out to the Lehman,
how your mom's doing, yo? Tell her I said what's up.
She's dead.
Damn. Can I come through? You gotta shoot your shot right after that. You can't let it sink in. Be like, yo,
you need a shoulder to cry on?
Yo, my condolences, but yo, you still be popping that thing open? Oh man. But yes, we have Legionnaires in the Bronx. You might not have heard about it because no one cares about the Bronx.
Yeah.
You know? A lot of bad things happen in the Bronx, but they're good things to us. You know,
we're good.
You have to have the good and the bad.
Yeah.
The zig and the zag.
You take the good, you take the bad. You take
them both, and then you have the facts of life.
Facts of life, my nigga.
Why has no rapper ever jumped on that? Just like Chief Keef's like, yo,
Stop,
take
don't
the
say
good,
that too loud.
Bong.
You
Take
never
the
know.
bad. Bong. Bong, bong. Bong, bong. Yep,
Bang, bang.
yep. But no, the Bronx has us, and we are the good. You got out there. You got French Montana dating Sanaa Lathan.
That's right.
That's good.
Yo, he's constantly elevating his game, fam. He went from Khloe Kardashian, Sanaa Lathan. He's gonna be fucking running up Michelle Obama next.
He will. I'm so for that.
You know what I'm saying? I'm there for that.
You know what? French Montana basically put that blueprint out there that, yo, no girl could tell you anything because no matter where you are in life, you're like, yo, I got potential. Like Future says,
Yep.
I'm not average.
I'm not
All
average.
right? Because young French Montana, when he had a baggy shirt and got shot in the head, he was like, yo, I'm going to be a rapper. And they're like, yo, nah, you're
Shut
terrible.
up, nigga. You're wearing a Mesquite shirt.
Now look at him. He's bringing the Kardashians to City Island. He's going to annihilate it, man.
Yo, if you bring Kardashian to City Island, you're automatically a council member.
You're higher than the Bronx borough president at that point. Like you're gonna replace the Big Pun mural with just
You could open hand
French.
smack Ruben Diaz in the face.
Ruben Diaz is the Bronx borough president. In case people don't know.
That's what I'm saying. Google him.
Shout out to all our listeners in like Iowa and Herzegovina who
Yo,
do
word.
not know what we're talking about.
Shout out
every
to
time.
them, but then they go on Twitter and they're like, "Yo, I feel it, man.
I feel like I've been in the Bronx.
I feel like I've been there, man.
I feel like I was in a bodega at
feel
night
like I've
with a
been-
chopped cheese sandwich.
Yeah.
I'm like, you do.
Keep
listen,
feeling that. Keep feeling like that,
Don't come
nigga. Don't
over
actually
here.
do it.
You don't want these problems, dog. You do not want these problems. But Legionnaires disease only affects people with compromised immune systems.
Yes. So listen, you got
so-
bigger problems if you're worried about Legionnaires.
That's
Yeah.
basically the people who buy insures early in the morning.
You know
that
what I'm
kind of
saying?
people.
Yeah.
You know?
If I see you buy the insure on the banana early bird, I know your T-cell count might be low.
Damn. That was more Bodega Boys than usual.
No,
that way.
listen,
You going a little hard here.
Shooting from half court today. Fuck it.
Oh man, Ben Cautious listening like, I didn't make that intro, but this lit. These niggas is funny. Candy, come listen to this
Come
shit.
listen to this shit. These niggas are wildin'.
Candy, bring the sweet pussy over here.
Hey.
Could you imagine just Ben Cautious talking sexy during sex time? Just trying to talk dirty
During
like,
sex
yo,
time?
during sex time.
He definitely calls it sex time.
Hey, Candy, you want to have sex time?
You know it's sex time, bitch.
I'm a doctor. You want to play doctor?
I got my scalpel on deck. I'm about to bust that open.
Do you want to have sex with maybe the second black president? She's like, Ben, you wildin'. Ben, you ain't gonna be president.
She and Herman Cain's DMs and shit.
Oh man, she called him early though.
Yeah.
Listen, you date a black brain surgeon?
Come on, dog.
You know she was stunting on everybody. Like, I'm sorry. Oh, your boyfriend has a mixtape coming?
Oh.
Mine just saves a baby's medulla oblongata.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh.
They're gonna have time to hang with you.
Oh, no doubt.
Oh, your husband got a turntable?
Oh.
He's scratching?
Oh.
Yeah, you know what my husband scratches? Lives, yo, when he saves them.
bitch.
It's quiet for you.
Bitch. Your little husband. She
Your
definitely
little
calls
husband.
everybody else the little husband.
Your little husband.
Your little husband, Joe. What's he do?
He's still doing that little ad shit? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I have to go. My husband's in a traumatic surgery and ER saving somebody.
Oh, excuse me. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I gotta go to the Republican debate, and then we gotta go save a giraffe brain. Excuse me.
How did Ben Carson's wife become Jasenia?
I don't know. Everyone becomes Jasenia. Shout out to Jasenia. The fucking composite of every high
Ben
school
Carson
girlfriend
is
I've ever had.
dating bottle waitresses for Washington Heights. This is going to be exposed.
Yo, that's a VH1 show waiting to happen.
Oh, Ben Carson just up there?
Out
Oh,
there.
man.
Ben Carson smashing bottle waitresses.
I don't feel these hookahs are sanitary.
These mouthpieces.
Why would I pay $100 for a bottle when I know it's $8 in the liquor store?
That's an unfair tax.
That's unfair. I
I'm
have a
a
tax
seven.
plan of my own. It's a flat tax.
it's a flat bottle tax.
Minorities for too long have been bamboozled and paying too much for Moscato.
Yo, any Moscato, that's the driest Moscato you'll ever drink.
Why are you drinking Moscato in the club?
Why am I talking about Moscato? Why are we talking about dessert wine?
Yo, dog, we've jumped to like 40 topics in like the first 3 minutes of this podcast. What do you want?
I love it.
Listen, there's not. We're like the Knicks. We're just out here. We're just chucking shots, okay? They're going in, they're going in. We're mellow.
Listen.
We're on the mellow right now. We got on fancy hats.
Contract year.
Okay, I'm not listening to La crying in the back, and I'm just setting these shots up. Okay, the coach is telling me to pass the ball, and I'm like, no, ISO. Can't spell mellow without ISO.
Mello has a Warner Brother like tattoo. You know, like the
I said that.
WB, the Warner
But
Brothers.
it's not Warner Brothers. It's supposed to
If
be
you see
West
it-
Baltimore, but it's also Warner Brothers.
Yeah,
If you
yeah,
cop
yeah.
Warner
If you
Brothers.
say- oh man, that's
shout
so
out to
good.
Melo.
Shout out to Mello
Shout out to Melo.
for being the only NBA fucking franchise player that's been on a Stop Snitching DVD.
Oh, that's so real.
He's made for us.
Like that's what David Stern was like. I'm done here. I'm it's like they're gonna do what they want to do.
Yo, that nigga went to the White House with a do-rag on. How could you
even
not
on a
understand? That alone makes him better than Jordan.
Yo, shout out to Durag History Week.
That's
that
true.
was an iconic moment in Durag History Week. I'm a fan of the Durag.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm not MTV2 doesn't let me cook properly with it, so you don't see my waves 360.
right.
But you know, in the summer I like to wear a durag. Durag and Tim's when
You know
you're
what I'm
beating
saying?
it up.
That's right.
You know, that's what the
Do-rag
ladies
Tims,
like.
That's it. And knee pads.
And knee pads?
Oh,
I like smelling salts. So
that's
you gotta
right.
bring them
You know
back
what I'm
up. You know.
Listen, when you wash, you need a little equipment.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, shout out to everyone that be beating the pussy up, and then you get the wild Charlie horse. And you gotta do that stanky leg thing where you kind of got the leg off the bed, and you're thinking she don't notice, but she's like, "What's going on why is he
Why is he not doing it
why
like
is he
that
doing the
anymore?
baby giraffe kind of thing? And you're really trying to beat it up, and you're like, God damn, my leg hurts. And it never happens when you first started. It happens like later on when you're like really in the stroke.
When you're really in there,
And you're
dog.
like, damn,
Third quarter.
You're like, damn, I should have had some ginger ale or ate a banana.
Momentum switching.
Oh man,
It's happening.
it's like someone returning an offside kick. Just changes the game.
The potassium.
Oh, and then you is like the girl, if she's polite, she'll be like, she won't know. She'll be like, that was good. If she does notice, she was like, yo, what the fuck was that?
What was that? Nigga,
What's wrong with your leg? How old are you?
Just anyway, came out again.
Listen, you know what? Shout out to you ladies that let a watch dude cook and don't mind when it comes back to bed after sex and he smells like icy hot.
Yeah.
Just stretching out, a little Ben Gay.
You know what I mean? Shout out to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hold
Instead
it
of getting
down.
the cold rag for like her coochie, he getting the hot rag for his lower back. Mero laughed too hard at that last joke. So now I have questions.
Dog, I'm out here. I'm like, yo, I'll be working on my fitness. I'm out here. Yo, you know what's crazy? I like physically I'm washed, but you know what I'm saying? I'll be out
Mentally,
here.
you're not washed.
Mentally,
right?
I'm not washed. You know what
That's
I'm
good.
saying?
Like we have like the youth energy. As
Older dudes, you just have to master eating choach, B. You
Yeah.
have to master that. You know
you're
what I'm saying?
Spanish though, so that comes naturally.
Yeah, it's natural.
Well, like that's
My
part
first
of your
communion.
culture.
Yeah.
That's like a quinceañera, right?
My first communion, I had to eat a choach. Jesus, God
Christ.
damn, we're out here.
Wow, this is welcome to the third and last episode of Bodega Boys. Speaking of communion,
Yo.
the Pope was in town
Word.
and he came through and everything was lit. And everyone was
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
the Pope is great.
Yeah.
He's talking to like inmates.
Yeah.
He loves everybody.
Everybody's so good.
Everyone's so good. This is the coolest Pope ever. And then he showed up. He went to that bigot Kim Davis
That's
house
right.
and was like, yo, good looking, my G, for
Yo.
keeping them queers from getting married. And everyone was like, yo, Pope, what are you doing?
That's how you bang for your set, my nigga. That's what he said when he saw Kim. That's how you bang for your set, my nigga. Hold
Yo,
it down.
V's up. You know what I'm saying? Tired of gays getting married. Rip that shit up, KD. Keep stocking, all right?
Fuck.
Vatican up, son.
Vatican gang, nigga. Brat.
Oh. And the worst part is like he tried.
Yo.
The worst part is like he tried to do it on the low. Like
Yeah.
he flew, like he saw her
Low key.
and creeped out.
Nigga flew
And then
Southwest
Then
under an assumed name.
everyone found out afterwards, like he already left the country. Which now I feel bad because who among us has not like slid off to see a whack chick and then got wad exposed? And now you got a cop, please. Like, he's like,
Yo.
no, I met with her and I was like, you know, about the faith. Nah, come on,
nigga,
dog.
no.
Yo, you not low, Pope.
Nope, not at all.
Not low, Pontiff. We see you.
We see you, my nigga. Yo,
see you.
it's like fucking niggas catch you at like, yo, I saw Desus in Forest Hills at Popeyes.
Yo,
What the fuck is he doing
who
out
was
here?
that girl you was with at 4 a.m. at Crown Fried Chicken? And you know if I got her at Crown Fried Chicken at 4 a.m., that's not wifey. So how about you don't ask questions, Malik?
Why don't you go rob that white dude from episode 2?
With that throwback.
woo.
You see that? That's good writing, unlike Empire.
Oh,
Through that
Empire
dart.
Slander. Empire Slander.
That's the two enemies in my life. iPhones and Empire. Every day I wake up trying to figure out how I can destroy these two things.
Let me tell you something. If Michael Jordan used an iPhone to write an episode of Empire, Desus would implode.
My head would explode.
You know what I'm saying? It would shoot into orbit.
Yeah, so the Pope. It's trash for the Pope. It's quiet for the Pope.
It's quiet for you, my G.
Are you guys still Pope fans? Is everyone here still a Pope fan?
I fuck with the Pope. I like his old stuff.
You like his old stuff?
his old
Yeah, he went mainstream.
Yeah, you know
I
what I'm
don't
saying?
like it. Like when it was, when he was working with Dre,
Yeah,
this shit was better.
that
This
was
shit more
classic.
fire.
Classic.
I feel like his heart's not in it anymore.
Yeah.
You know.
Do you know what I'm saying?
You know?
G-Funk. Nigga, Grail Funk.
And then the worst part, he got a single coming out.
Yeah.
You know, I haven't heard it. I know this shit's gonna be trash. Shit got no kind of like DJ Esco on production.
No.
Okay. All right, there's no Drake verse. Like, why would you drop a verse right now, Pope?
Nah.
Like,
It's quiet for you, my G.
I'd rather hear from Meek Mill than the Pope right
Just
now.
keep doing tours. Keep touring. Keep getting that show money.
Oh man, showing up in Memphis, opening for D. Ray Davis. Shout out to D. Ray. Oh man, yeah, it's quiet for you, Pope. Shout out to the kids. Bodega Boys, episode 3. We in here. Y'all missed it. I just threw mad Red Bull in the air like LeBron does the
Woo!
powder.
It's lit.
'Cause we
It's
killing it
everywhere.
right now. We're going hard.
It's all over the console.
So recently, noted fuckboy George Zimmerman
Yep.
took to the Twitters. He retweeted a picture of Trayvon Martin's dead body.
Wow.
And was bragging about it.
What a fucking dick.
I'm a little shocked. You know what the thing is? Everyone on Twitter be like, yo, black people are mad violent. They're monkeys. They're thugs. If we were mad violent, wouldn't George Zimmerman be dead already?
Yeah.
Wouldn't someone have shot him?
Somebody would. Yo, you know what's crazy?
The only person that shot George Zimmerman was another white person.
Another white person, dog. I was just about to say that. The last dude, there's a dude who's arrested right now, suspected of attempted murder or some shit against George Zimmerman.
George
It's a white
Zimmerman.
dude.
Come on, man.
A white dude looks like a fucking, like he makes the best fucking kale saute.
And that white guy doesn't even realize how close he was to being king of the blacks. Like if he had just if he had gotten that bullet like 2 inches higher, woo,
damn dog,
we would have had him opening up Essence Fest.
All that nigga, he would have been an Empire cameo.
He would have hosted the Universal Soul Circus. All that. Obama giving him the heavy dap.
He would have, dog. He would have been able.
Man.
He would have been allowed to say nigga anywhere,
and we wouldn't even get offended. We'd be like, he's using it in the friendly term.
In the friendly,
Thank you.
Listen, he's one of us.
He's one of us.
It's okay.
He would be using the black emojis with the black square.
You know what I'm saying?
D-Ray retweeting him like, I know we will win. He's like, yeah, my nigga. Should be great. But no, George Zimmerman out here being a troll. Shout out to George Zimmerman not being verified on Twitter.
Wow.
Because Twitter is kind of like, yo, we're going to let you cook, but we're not really going to view you as a person. Yeah. But they got to get him out the paint, dog. Like,
yo, America is wild. Yo, this nigga's got so much country. Yo, he fucking...
From killing a kid.
The paintings that he was selling out for 5 figures. Yeah. Yo, everything. This dude
that low-key Paula Dean bought all of them.
Yeah, like what?
You're not low Paula.
You're not low Paula.
You go to her restaurant. You're like, who made this? I don't know. I don't know. Here, just add some butter.
Butter. Her rec room must be looking crazy right now.
Her rec room looks like...
the Zimmerman originals.
Her rec room looks like an outtake from Django. Okay?
It's all Zimmerman paintings and the one fucking Brazilian dude. What's the fucking guy that does all the rainbow bullshit? I don't know. Google it.
No.
You should be like, yeah, nigga, because I said Google. I didn't say fucking.
Oh, that's right.
What's the Apple
Apple doesn't have a search engine. Apple don't want you searching shit. Because then
you would find something better.
You would search and be like, hey, can I find an Apple power cord that works? And then your computer just shut down. Like, no such thing.
I should do the Michael Jordan laugh. Like,
nigga pay $700. How much did you just pay for your new Apple power cord, Mero? Tell us the saga of going to the mecca of Apple products.
Dog. Yo, shout out to Apple.
Don't shout out Apple. Just tell the story.
I fuck with the ease of use. The ease of use, you know what I'm saying, in your products. Dog, why the fuck did I pay $50 for an iPhone charger, dog? Why can't I say... Yeah, first of all, I went to Best Buy, which maybe that's the mistake I made. I walk in and I'm like, yo, I need a charger for this phone. I need the 6-foot cord. Pause. You know what I'm saying? Because I got used to that.
Right, pause.
So I'm like, yo, you know what I'm saying? I need to be able to charge my phone and, you know what I'm saying, and also get these fire tweets off. So I went in there, I'm like, yo, let me get the 6-foot cord with the fucking thing. The guy's like, all right, cool. He gives me the thing and it's just a cord. I was like, yo, nah, I need the plug. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's right there. These two things I have to buy separately and they're $50, my guy, total. Why?
Because you want to be cool.
Why?
Because you want to be cool.
Why?
Because you want to pull out your iPhone with everyone else and be like, yo, look at this. I got this. I got an iPhone. Look at my green bubbles. No, they're blue.
Blue.
You know what? The hell with y'all.
It's blue bubbles forever.
Blue bubble? Nah. Team Green Bubbles over here. Shout out to everyone that listens to this, got a Droid, and is because if you got a Droid, you could download this directly to your SD card.
Wow.
You can do whatever you want.
SD
okay?
card.
Yeah, we got SD cards, all right? How much free space in your phone right now? I got 60 gigs on deck, my dude.
Okay, listen.
Okay?
My cloud is looking sus right now.
Listen, Mero hates it. Every now and then I do the light flex. I might have like 1% on my battery, and what do? I pop in a new one.
Oh, just pop in a battery.
100%.
Let me go into low battery energy mode. Oh, let me use my phone to turn the TV on. Oh, let me use my phone to fucking send the fax.
Okay, see everything what Samsung can do? And then you are giving money to a company that don't even like you. When you go in the Apple store, I went in the Apple store to buy a brand new MacBook, and I was like, yo, I got my $1,000 whatever here. This whole transaction should take no more than 7 minutes. Because anytime someone walks into an establishment with $1,000, you get that $1,000 from them.
Dogs, walk into a strip club with $1,000.
Listen,
walk into a strip club with $1,000
right in your hand. See how fast you get attention. Walk to an Apple store with $1,000. First of all, they do that creepy smile. They're like, oh, you ready to buy a computer? Yeah, go stand over there, dickhead, with those other $20 because we're going to get to you in a second. I stood there for like 15 minutes. And then I gave them the privilege of taking my money. And they were just like, hey, here you go.
They're like, yo, they're doing you like Nike, dog.
They're doing you a favor. They're selling you a MacBook. That's a favor. You don't want to, because you don't want to be at Starbucks with a Dell.
I dare you.
Go in there.
Go into Starbucks and write your poetry in your Dell, my guy.
You could go to Starbucks, have a Dell, go to the bathroom, and just leave your computer unattended, and no one's stealing it.
Yeah.
People are like, what is this? What is this, Windows 10?
Yeah, go ahead. Yo, go DJ your party on your fucking HP 12-inch fucking
bust out that
X960 56XL.
See if anyone loves that. Try to attach Serato to your Surface. You probably can. But you know what? People in the club are gonna start booing you. Yeah. They're gonna be like, "What is that?
Yo, what's that little rainbow square shit? This shit is whack.
What is that? What are you, an NFL player? Boo!
Yo, this shit's whack. Russell Wilson ass nigga.
Whoa.
Fuck out of here, bro.
Russell Wilson, he really attached himself to the Surface brand.
Yeah.
That was a bold move.
Hard.
That was which is whacker, Surface or Sierra? Whoa.
They're spelled the same. Think about it.
Drop the Red Bull drop right here.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo, Bodega Boys, episode 3. We back, motherfucker.
Los Hermanos de Bodega. Is that how you say it in Spanish?
Sí. Los niños de la bodega.
Even though I'm not learning Spanish, if y'all come to this country, y'all should learn the language.
Learn English.
Learn American.
Learn American.
Tired of that. Shout out to my immigrant parents. So there's a new app called
This is
People.
disgusting. Yo,
it's Yelp for people.
Yes. Everybody thinks this is disgusting because you can it's basically a slam book.
You can anonymously rate
Yeah.
people you have never met.
Right. But the thing is that you have to put their cell phone number in and then they get a text message saying, yo, you're being rated on the People app.
Wow.
Come check this out. Like, see what's happening. Like, you know what I mean? Like, yo, but you don't know who did it. So it's like you go there and it's like, this whack motherfucker gave me herpes, and you just like start panicking and shit.
You're like, nah, chill, you got that at the hookah, man.
Yeah.
But damn, that's high school all over again.
That's high school all over again.
Because people, look, when people get like anonymity,
they're
so vicious.
That's right.
And if you need proof of that, go in my mentions.
Yo, please.
Because
visit.
I had a lady that follows me and has been following me for at least 2 years, and she tweeted to me yesterday that people need to get over slavery.
Wow!
And I'm just like, yo, ma'am, you're completely off brand here. Like,
wow.
My whole thing is the whole blackness thing. Like, go on, lady. What are you tweeting? And she had
slavery.
She had the avatar of most racist on Twitter. You know, a beautiful sunset,
right.
Or a dog,
of course,
or an American flag,
of
or
course.
an egg. That's the four.
Yeah.
That's the standards for racists on Twitter.
Blue line, man.
Blue line. All lives matter.
All lives matter, bro.
Blue lives matter. Did you hear a dog shot a cop? That dog should be killed because cops, you know.
No. Imagine a puppy shot a cop.
Heads would explode. Heads would explode.
Yo, they'd be like, his owner may have abused him.
He never had a chance.
He never
had a chance. They interrupt so much programming to show that.
No.
That would be white people's Trayvon Martin.
Yeah. What?
Oh my God, there'd be hashtags. There'd be the little Twitter ribbon on your icon.
Jimmy Kimmel would be crying asparagus tears, dog. I told you.
Free Champ.
You know what I'm saying?
Free Champ the puppy.
Oh my God.
Oh. Like they'd interrupt the shows when the verdict comes out.
They'd be like, Pac.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm saying? He come out, he spit on it in the camera like, yo, y'all denied me my freedom.
And people be like, yo, I got the real proof of his upbringing. Like he was running the streets. That's not a good dog. He had felonies. I got a picture of him smoking weed.
Oh man. Dog. It depends. Well, if it's a pit bull, they say all that shit.
Oh, yeah.
If it's like, you know what I'm saying, like
people
a golden
you know
retriever, they'll be like, well, he has a history of mental health issues.
People really shouldn't have pit bulls anymore, though.
No?
Can I just throw that out there?
Those pit bulls?
As someone who used to have a pit bull, like, yo, if you have a pit bull in 2015, it's just like, why? You have to ask the question, why does this person have a pit bull in 2015? Like, maybe you have a big heart and you adopted it.
Maybe, but maybe you just watch mad reality shows.
Or maybe you just want this dog to drag your neighbor across the street,
you know
like it did in the Bronx a couple weeks ago.
You know what I'm saying?
It's either or. And it's 50-50. There's no in between. Mm-mm. Everyone's like, and people with pit bulls love to be like, yo, he's friendly.
He's
friendly.
Oh, yeah.
Dog.
Oh, that dog that you have with roofing nails around his neck with no ears is a friendly dog?
That dog that you like with the spiked collar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay, the dog I can see with the visible muscles from 2 blocks away?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. That bike chain has not been altered into a collar, dog. Your pit bull's neck is actually that circumference. I'm not touching that shit.
Oh, your dog's name is also the name of major felonies?
Yeah.
Your dog's name is Hercules Murder or fucking home invasion?
Capital murder? Nah.
You got your dog jumping off the street and biting a fire escape on the second floor.
No.
I'm not coming in your house.
Yo, you have a half-ripped tire in front of your yard, my G. I'm not going anywhere near that dog.
Yo, my boy got a pit bull. I went in his house dead ass. The dog was like deadlifted, like 300 pounds on a weight bar.
I'm
and he was spotting him.
No,
I was like, nah.
They're listening to Styles P and shit. I'm good.
Dog just rolled up a blunt. Like, you want on in this?
Yo,
I'm like, nah.
Nah, I don't.
Trying to go clean. They got me on papers at work, dog. He's like, yo, you pussy. I'm like, yo, chill, Hercules.
Yeah, nah, you right. You got it.
And shout out to everyone naming their dog Zeus.
You got it.
He's Roman.
Yeah.
That dog ain't Roman. He's from 157s.
Stop.
I know a Harlem dog when I see a Harlem dog.
I know. You got him. He was in a Nike box with 6 other puppies.
Dog come out with a do-rag. Got mad stories about Dapper Dan and Alpo. No.
Why does your dog have tattoos?
Yo, I used to be getting
Why
86,
does your dog have a
G.
tattoo on his neck? This is R.I.P. Chachi. Who's Chachi?
Don't worry about that unless you want to join him. Ruff. I don't really fuck with DMX like that. You know who killed DMX's dog Boomer?
Me, nigga.
Shit.
Oh shit, dog.
What were we talking about? Like a people app?
The people app.
How the fuck do we get on Pitbulls?
Rate your Pitbull.
Fuck it. It's lit. This is how our minds work.
Yeah.
Beautiful mind. What is that? The beautiful something or something?
Yeah, the beautiful mind with the
Beautiful mind?
he sees all the numbers
Yeah.
in front of his face. Fucking dick. That was me in trigonometry in high school, like mad dusted.
That's me when like I roll a blunt and it breaks in half. You're trying to save it. You're like,
Yo.
shit. Just come in with the angles. You're like, yo, why is it not burning properly?
Yo. Shit. Time over here, man. Effervescent and shit, sending texts. Indian style. I'm sorry, crisscross applesauce. You can't say
Indian style.
You can't
no
say
more?
Indian style no more. My son told me it's crisscross
Really?
applesauce.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Indian style is racist.
Is it?
It is insensitive.
I mean,
Like the Redskins football team name.
I thought it meant people in India. I thought people in India sat that way.
Like Indian style?
Yeah. If it's Indian, like actual India, it's not
Right.
racist.
I
Or-
think it's not because I think
I think they were saying like Native Americans. And then you don't want to be like mad clumsy, be like, yo, sit down Native American style.
Yeah,
That sounds terrible, and it
Yeah.
sounds like gonna give me like
I'm just gonna stop
fucking-
saying shit unless it's like Dominican shit. Like I'm like, yo, I'm saying Dominican style. I can say that. You know what I'm saying? Because even if you say Puerto Rican, niggas get mad.
Yeah.
If you're
Also,
Puerto
we-
Rican, at me on Twitter.
Also, you know what's funny?
we
I
could
love the
choke each
Puerto
other.
Rican versus Dominican beef because if you're not Puerto Rican or Dominican, you cannot tell the difference between
Niggas
them.
eat the same
They're
shit.
same
And call it,
thing.
niggas eat the
Y'all the same goddamn
shit
thing.
and call shit different things and then get mad. Nigga, that's not called guinepa. That's limosillo. Nigga, you stupid.
See?
It's the same thing. It's a weird little fruit that only exists on these two pathetic islands.
See?
You know what I'm saying?
And that's something that's such a deep take right there.
Yeah.
The rest of us wouldn't get it. And
Yep.
we'd just be like, why are these two Spanish people talking so loud?
all Dominican niggas, Puerto Rican niggas, yo, word, we suck. Yo, now listen, love each other. We're all brothers and sisters, man.
No, we're not.
We all gotta get together and assassinate Donald Trump.
That is true. That is true. Who as the Latino representative, Kid Mero,
Yeah.
who are you guys going for in the presidential campaign?
I don't know, man. It's looking crazy right now. I think George Lopez should just come in out of nowhere.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Swoop in there and just scoop
Just
up all
scoop
the
it all
votes.
up.
Yeah.
But if you had to vote for someone right now,
Right now?
what about was it Rubio?
Rubio's kind of a herb, dog.
Yeah.
He's like the I don't know. He's like I feel like he went to boarding school or some shit.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he's
just
definitely
like,
touched dicks with somebody else.
Yeah, he docked.
But not on no weird shit, but just like on some frat shit.
Yeah, on some frat.
Like,
Bro!
yo, whoever falls asleep first is getting a dick in their mouth. It's not gay, it's just fun.
It's like, yeah, it's just fun. It's just whimsical.
It's whimsical. Todd, I put my balls on your head. Took a picture of it. Did you like it?
Don't tag me, bro.
Or tag me.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, he's kind of a worm.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just don't vote.
Don't vote. Yeah. Don't vote. That's, you know what? The election right now is like last year's Knicks season.
Yo,
It's like you're putting up with it, but
on.
no one is exciting you. Like,
Yo, who's coming up for like presidentially? That is who's a prospect? You know what I'm
You know
saying?
what it
That we
is?
can maybe like you know what I'm saying just tank this season and wait for next season. Maybe get a good
none.
draft pick.
There's none.
There's no draft picks out there.
you know, I would like to be humble, but I just want to say, like, this election is a lot like after you break up with me, you know? We had Obama. Look how great Obama was.
Somebody thinks they're getting something right now.
Someone's getting something for real. Obama was so great. He did everything so much swagger, so cool.
Yeah.
And now he's gone.
He's gone.
He's gone. Now you gotta find a replacement. And it ain't the same, is it, huh?
Nope.
Sorry, America.
Yeah.
Got that old thing back. You missing it, huh? About to hit him up. Hit Obama up at 3 a.m. Like, what you doing?
Obama, yo, WYD question mark.
Yo, you up?
Yo,
Gary, what's good? I was just thinking about you.
yo, moon emoji.
Moon emoji.
No text.
Michelle next to you?
Yo,
America just had their greatest boyfriend ever,
Yo.
and now you are about to just be in the worst rebound relationship ever.
America-
You're gonna be paying for
yeah.
the next president's mixtape time, his studio time,
Yep.
all that stuff.
all that shit. You're gonna be
Yo, ma,
listen.
give me some money for a Dutch and for the weed.
Yep.
See, at least most bum dudes will at least get their own weed. But when you're paying for a guy's Dutch and his weed, that's a new level of scumbag. Not that I've never been there, because we all go through rough periods in our life. My rough period was 2014, but you know,
My rough period is
Forever?
It's been continuous.
we keep it real though.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, you'll never catch me buying more than one Dutch at a time. I keep it real. I'm in the streets, ma.
Listen, I'll buy a box.
Buy a box. You buy a box of what?
I bought a box. Yo, I bought
You
a
buy
box
a box of what though?
Dutches.
I thought you were talking about buying actual bucks because we talked about that.
Oh, buying pussy? I can't. You can't.
You can't.
Listen,
You are married.
Yeah, I can't buy pussy, man.
I can't because I'm cheap. You know what I'm saying? I want to see the Carfax. Show me the pussy facts.
Yo, Yo, when you're
I
married,
gotta see how many miles was on the shit. All right, has it been flooded? How many owners was on it? You know, was there repairs done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, when you're married, it's just like you gotta have strategies, man. Like when you're married and it's like people are like, yo, it's the same shit. Don't you get bored? I'm like, nah, man. It's just like you can't because you're married. You can't cheat, dog. Your wife will take all your money. You'll be fucked up. You can't see your kids.
If you're broke, you could cheat.
You
if you have things going on, you can't cheat.
Yeah. And if you're the type of person that enjoys your kids, you know what I'm saying? I love my kids. They're great. You know what I'm saying? They're mad fun to hang out when I'm high and shit.
Right.
You know what I mean? But like, you just got to do different shit when you're married. You just got to be like, switch shit up. Like, be like, yo, wear a hat when we're fucking. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, do like blow out your bangs. You know what I'm saying? Like, and it's just like you get a little variety.
Oh,
you know what I'm
man.
saying? Yo, maybe like after Rizzoli and Isles, you know what I'm saying? A little toppy, you know what I mean?
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Just map it out, you know what I'm saying? It's still chill though, because you're still, you know what I'm saying? You're still engaging, you know what I'm saying? It's popping.
man.
Yeah. It sounds like it's not popping, but it's popping. You know, once you get into the flow of it, it's like playing in the NBA.
Here you
I don't know, I'm going on wild tangents,
You're
but
on
I'm just hoping
tangent.
that we just talk about something else and just
And
stop
like
talking about
I'm
this.
listening to it and I'm getting so nervous. Like, whoa. Is that because like my life right now is like? Have you guys like follow my Twitter? Follow my Twitter. Like my life is like wild, stereotypical TV. I live in New York City. I'm like at Rangers games. I'm at studios. I'm hanging with Ezra.
Yo, check out my perfectly cooked steak that just happens to be in the frame.
Oh right, like I'm like if I wasn't me and I was looking at my Twitter, I'd be like, this shit fake, dog.
Fuck this nigga, man.
And now from what Mero's telling me, apparently marriage means someone's gonna come in and buzzkill McGee all my fun. Is that what it is?
No. You just have to listen. You just have to have. This is what you need to do. I fucked up because none of my siblings are losers.
Right.
You just need to have a loser ass sibling that will watch your kids all the time.
But see, here's the problem. I used to be the loser ass sibling.
See,
I jumped up in the ranking order because
Yeah.
for a while there,
you leapfrogged.
young Desus was on the bottom of my blessed parents'
Same.
loins.
Same.
And now I'm not number one because my sister is the wild overachiever and she's
Right.
about to be a professor
Yeah,
of like
yeah.
that.
Like my brother's like the president.
Calm down,
of,
sis. All right,
yeah.
calm down. It's enough.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna be up there. I'm up there. So.
Shout out to my brother for being a dude named Tito and being involved in government. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That sounds like it's, you know what I'm saying? That sounds mad wrong.
So if you
I
guys
sound
are,
like I should be buying ounces of blow off of you, but you're like testing water pH levels. You know what I'm saying? Upstate. Shout out to you, my guy.
so basically there's a bizarro version of Mero somewhere.
Yes.
In a suit.
Wearing boat shoes.
Wearing
doing
boat
something
shoes,
like important.
doing important things,
Yep.
and this guy's getting paid like boatloads of money to make dick jokes. Cause it's lit,
Yo, it's lit.
and we're here on Red Bull.
Hey, mom.
Love you.
You know what I'm saying?
My mother don't even listen to this.
My
My
sister-
mother listened to one of our podcasts. One. She got
my mom would
5
never-
minutes
yeah.
in.
My mom would be, my
never
mom doesn't know how to
again.
use the internet.
And every time she goes, "Are you still making dirty jokes with the Spanish guy?"
Yeah, mom.
I'm like, "Yeah,
This is my
yeah."
life.
My favorite is what she saw me on MTV2, and she like after the segment ends, she turns to me and she goes, "You got paid for that?" I was like, "Yo, why you hating?"
Yo, my mom will never just be like, "Oh, that's nice." I showed my mom a thing I did with a fitness model, you know what I'm saying, and another dude. It was an interesting thing, you know what I'm saying? It was nice, high production value, you know what I'm saying? After fucking I showed her it, she was just like, why were you wearing that hat? Did you choose that? I was like,
man.
Mom, that was like, I'm on TV, nigga.
Yeah.
Be hype. You know what I'm saying? I think I gotta
Nothing's
take over
worse-
for like Don Francisco and shit for my mom.
When
to be
you
hype.
tell someone you're on TV and they don't react,
Yeah.
it's just like
It's
because the
a
thing is
wild
like
blow,
I
like-
feel like that should be like you should be like, oh yo,
I would
that's
be hype.
great, and people just like, yeah, that's cool,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
hype.
Yeah. Or they're just like, yo, have you ever talked to a drunk person and told them that you do TV stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yo, I saw this dude. I was getting on a bus yesterday, going back to my crib, and this dude who's always, because you know when you take the express bus?
No, I
you
don't.
see.
I don't.
Sorry.
None of us do, you Hollywood bastard. Tell us more about the Express. Is the Express
Whoa.
was like $7.50?
That shit is like $6.75.
Look
my
at
nigga.
you.
And
Look
listen,
at, who are you?
listen, who are you? Yo,
Remember when you used to cop weed from dudes and they kept the weed underneath their balls?
Remember
now
when
look
you
at
used to
you.
cop weed? We used to just reach into a mystery hole with
Yeah,
a
just
$5
get it.
bill, and the dude would place marijuana in your
Pause.
hand. Yeah.
Pause. I'm
wow.
not-
mystery hole.
I've never-
Is that the name of this episode?
I've never been that broke that I put my hand in mystery holes, okay? But that probably will be the name of this episode. Put your hand in the mystery hole.
Oh shit. Yo, yeah, but you remember those days, dog? Now we out here taking express buses and shit. But telling this guy, like, yo, I what do you do? Because you know what I'm saying? Because you see people all the time because you're taking the bus at the same time every day. So you see the same people. And you sometimes you don't talk to them, sometimes they do.
Right.
So this dude, first time ever, so what do you do? I was like, well, I do stuff. I'm over at Viacom. Like I do MTV stuff.
Right. Because you can't just bust out, I'm on TV. You'd be like, I work in the Viacom building.
I feel like I'm going to just start saying I'm on TV. You know what I'm saying? Because motherfuckers are like, oh. They think like, nigga, I don't change the water coolers, motherfucker. Like, I'm on TV. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck
like,
being humble. Let them know.
Fuck that.
You ain't security.
You know what I'm saying? Then he responded the same way you said, like, just like, oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a general contractor.
Yeah.
I got a Subaru.
What I don't like is
what
when
the fuck?
When you say I'm on TV and then they say something that's not on the same level.
Nah.
And it's like, yo, dog, apples and oranges right here. Like, yo, I'm on TV. Oh, that's cool. I just built a porch in the backyard. I'm like, dog, what does that have to do with anything?
Yeah, what do you want?
It was a nice porch, though. I'll give you that.
Yo, it's nice.
Very sturdy.
Yo, I like the finish.
I like that. What is that? What is that? Maple?
Mahogany?
Is that pressure treated? Oh, man. Bodega Boys, episode 3, live from Red Bull Studios at 220 West 18th Street.
That's right.
All right, drink some Red Bull. Get
Come
some
through.
wings.
Visit.
All right.
Yo, let me tell you something. This is crazy.
What you gonna say?
You remember Justin Bieber?
Who?
The dude, he was a white dude. He used to be black.
And
he became white.
We saw him at the VMAs, and he did that whole I'm white thing.
Yeah,
he was
I'm
on
white.
the floor.
I have a white tunic on. Very floaty.
He was
know what I'm saying?
saved.
He was saved. Nope.
What?
Just see a video of him on stage
Taking
with the two,
Henny to the face.
with the two young niggas on for real.
Oh.
Ray Shremmer
Our
taking Henny to the
homies.
face.
Wow.
Henny to the grilliton.
Yo, I really thought Bieber was turning his life around. I thought Bieber was just gonna live a nice, safe, sarcastic life.
No.
And no. Like he's back
He
here
said, fuck the
slumming
Greek
it.
yogurt and give me the brown liquor.
He said the brown liquor, dog. You can't. Come on.
That's it. He's back.
When you take a Henny to the face,
Come on.
your credit score goes down.
Goes down. Next thing you know, he's tweeting free Max B.
You know
what I'm saying?
You buying Magnum condoms, but you're not using them.
Not using
You're
them at
putting
all.
them on the nightstand so the girl sees them.
Yeah.
Oh, Bieber, what are you doing?
Bieber's having raw sex.
Bieber's having raw sex, definitely.
Bieber's having raw sex.
Bieber have to send out a Black Lives Matter tweet. Like that's how deep into this Bieber is. Oh man, Bieber got a do-rag on right now.
Right now.
Right
You know what
now.
I'm
Not
saying?
getting no kind of waves, but just wearing it to scare
Waves,
people.
what? Dog,
man.
he don't give a fuck. And he's chilling. Yo, it's Ray Shremmer now. He jumped right in. He was
jumped
like,
right
yo,
in.
I'm jumping right back into this nigga lifestyle. Like, I'm not taking no breaks. He didn't come out and do like a spoken word with Kendrick Lamar. He's like, nah, I'm drinking Henny on stage with Ray Shremmer.
On deck.
On deck.
Don't get blacker than that.
Unlocking my swag.
Oh man, jeez Louise. Only way it could get blacker who would like interrupted a brunch would say her name, and I don't see that happening.
No.
So, shout out to people. Who's he dating now? I know he was dating Selena Gomez for a little while. That was a while ago though, right?
Yo, you know how we always say shit and then it just ends up happening
Yes.
6 months later,
Yes.
and then niggas bring it up and I'm like, Justin Bieber's gonna end up dating Serena Williams, dog.
Yeah,
You heard it here first.
I believe that.
It's happening.
Mero said it.
It's
He put it in
happening.
the universe, beloved. It's
You know
going
what
to
I'm saying?
happen.
Merodamus.
It's gonna happen. And he's gonna die by death via snoo when she crushes him with her big, muscular, beautiful black ebony thighs. Okay?
I say, you know, these are just Pino because he said ebony.
I said ebony.
That's the
Only people
wild
that use
Pino
ebony.
term.
Only people that use ebony are old black people who are subscribing to a magazine and people who watch porn. Okay. Go to your black girlfriend and be like, "Yo, I love your ebony skin." And she gonna be like, "Nigga, what you was
the
on
fuck?
X-Hamster?" You black people. I don't think I've ever said the word ebony in relation to another black
never.
person, but there's people out there spanking it to ebony porn.
Ebony porn.
Ebony porn.
Right now.
Ebony porn.
And you know that's where you gotta look. You don't look. You don't go. Oh, it's black women.
No.
No, nigga, ebony.
Ebony. And then that sounds like some wild shit. Like, yo, they're like, yo, Rosa Parks, you can't sit here. She's like, are you sure? And then it just turns to some wild shit.
They're bringing out the fire hoses for real.
Oh, yeah. Get me wet, daddy.
Oh my god.
Man. Everyone in here is cringing. Did you not know what it was?
You know what time it was when you signed up for this?
All right, this is Bodega Boys. It's not kid friendly. It's offensive.
Leave your kids at home.
I love how iTunes is like the irreverent.
Reverend.
I came up with that like it was like mad joke 4 a.m. in the morning. I put that in the iTunes description. Then I said, I was like, yo, iTunes, allow this shit. And iTunes was like, how bad could it be?
Yeah.
They've never listened to it. It's terrible. They're going to take it out. They'll be like, keep promoting it. It's not the racist shit, but that Samsung drops. Get out of here with that.
Get him out of here.
Go put your fucking podcast on Samsung's iTunes stores. Oh, I'm sorry, they don't have one.
Listen, listen. We're gonna write this suspense horror movie right now, based on that. I'm gonna text you. The opening scene is gonna be me texting you, and then the bubble turns from green to blue, and then it's just like you text me mad death skulls emojis.
Right.
And then that's how the movie starts. You know what I'm saying?
Terrible movie.
It's a terrible movie, but it's going straight to DVD and we're kicking off.
And we're gonna shoot it using an iPhone.
That's right.
We're gonna shout out to iPhone that lets you record in 4K, but gives you like, I don't know, 10 gigs.
Yeah.
So you can record in 4K for all of 30 seconds.
I can record a 4K Vine.
Listen, also,
It's about to be lit.
some of y'all, and I say this with love, beloved, don't shoot your porn in 4K.
No, you don't need to do that.
You and your boo are not that cute. Winter's coming, you know?
Oh, yeah.
You think you might make that sloppy toppy Pinot and put it on X2, but no.
Do not do that. Throw some filters on that.
Throw something. Blurry it down. We don't need to see that, yo.
Record it. Go in your sock drawer where you keep all your old phones. Take your sidekick out. Record it on your sidekick.
You know?
I don't need to see the blemishes surrounding your perianal region.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
If you're not
need to
down
see
with the
that.
anal bleaching, you know, maybe don't show that.
No.
You know, maybe you love your light-skinned girlfriend, but the rest of us do not want to see that part underneath her butt where it gets dark.
Oh,
That's a real thing.
yeah, it does.
That's a real thing. Light-skinned girls, look in the mirror right now.
Yeah.
You see it.
Look at your gooch.
Feel ashamed.
Yo, I feel like that's the first time light-skinned girls have been shamed.
Ever.
Ever. Yeah.
There are like 5 AKAs right now listening to this. Like, I ain't fucking with these Bodega Boys no more.
Call Steve Jobs.
But come on, ladies. Come on. Remember, you want that
on.
Lipstick Alley challenge, right?
Yeah, come on.
Come on. Come on.
Spill the tea.
Come on. I will put coconut oil on your stretch marks, man. So, Tidal, our favorite streaming service. Because, you know.
Tidal.
Did anyone in here use Tidal?
Oh.
Tidal, everyone's like redheaded stepchild music service. They're having a big concert.
Tidal's the Obama phone of fucking streaming services. Dog.
Tidal is
the track phone.
Tidal is a flip phone. Tidal is the Metro PCS.
Yo,
all right,
I got this razor.
Yo. You know what's funny? Every time you think Tidal's dead, they pop up.
Nah.
They pop up.
You know
like,
what's
yo,
keeping?
we
Can I
still
tell you
here.
what's keeping Tidal alive?
Drop the dart.
Prince.
Prince?
Prince is keeping Tidal alive
How do
by
you figure?
himself because he's doing all the exclusive shit with them. He's like, yo, you can only watch this and that, and it's Prince, and he's very into Tidal.
Why are people Prince fans?
Damn.
I'm asking this question because
I don't know if I want to go down this road.
Prince does not like his fans. Prince, if you put a song up on the internet, Prince will have that song removed from the internet so fast and have your account deleted.
Prince is like, yo, you want to see me on TV? Watch New Girl.
So the concert has Nicki Minaj, Beyonce, Jay-Z.
Right.
You name anyone that's popping right now, they're performing it. It seems a little desperate.
Yeah.
It seems a little
It's a little
desperate.
crazy.
You see iTunes and Apple Music, they're not doing all that.
They're just cruising.
Apple Music's just like, oh, I'm sorry. Here's Drake and Future's album ahead of schedule.
Yeah.
You know, no
yeah.
concert.
Okay,
Because
no.
concerts seem desperate, but you know, whatever.
Hey, no, we just got the 2 hottest rappers in the game. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Ezra.
I'm sorry,
You
you
know
didn't even have to download our app. It's already preloaded on your phone. But
That's
you know
right.
what? Go play with Tidal.
I said shout out to Ezra like he produced the Drake and Future album.
Shout out to Ezra though.
Yeah,
Those
just,
good
Ezra,
people.
just off the strength.
Shout out
Holla.
to Ezra.
You know what I'm saying?
But yeah, so are you going to the Tidal concert?
Yeah. Sorry.
Is anyone here going to the Tidal concert?
No. Is it at Barclays? Is it at the Barclays?
Of course it's at Barclays.
Oh.
Of course it's at Barclays. Because Jay-Z
Stop it.
Jay-Z built a stadium in Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Like basically, no, Jay-Z, they built a stadium in Brooklyn and Jay-Z co-signed it. And everyone was like, yo, the Nets, blah, blah, blah. And then Jay-Z was like, I got my money, I'm out.
Jay-Z's the man because Jay-Z makes himself the face of these things, and
then-
niggas in the hood think that he built the
Yes.
stadium. Like niggas in the hood think that he actually built the stadium. Like he was in there with a hammer, like bong, 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 making chairs
It's
and
your
shit.
boy.
That's right.
Remember when they were like
Brooklyn.
Tidal? Remember when they was like, yo, support Tidal, it's a black-owned company. Nigga.
That shit was in
That shit's
Norway.
like in Norway. That shit has 86 of the most white people I've ever seen who have never seen sun for 24 hours, okay? It's like the staff picture was like Beyonce,
Come on.
Jay-Z, and just mad people who have no problem putting
Come on,
together
man.
IKEA furniture blindfolded.
That's crazy. Tidal makes Red Bull look like fucking FUBU.
It's true. It gives you wings.
Out here.
But that Tidal concert's gonna be lit, you know. Also, shout a lot of y'all iTunes, Apple Music subscriptions, the free subscriptions, end today. So just throwing that out there.
Apple Music and chill.
Apple Music, you know, you're gonna have to pay. So people have the choice. You could either pay for Tidal or pay for Apple Music. What do you think people are gonna do?
Come on, dog.
Come on, dog.
Come on, man.
You know.
Yo, you just gotta put that fucking Apple on anything. It's just like
Anything,
fucking
man.
dog. It's like a talisman.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Is that how you say it?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Victor's supposed to fact check. He don't care. Niggas rubbing his head like he's on Mad
Perks. Over here. Like he's on K2 over here. He's just rubbing his nipples. Like, oh god, this is warm. Love this. This is fucking great. Oh man,
such an amazing show.
Shit. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, the air tastes like Velcro. Bodega Boys, episode 3. All right. Now, noted. We talk a lot about like racial issues here, and we talk about it's all jokes, but every now and then we gotta get serious, and we want to talk about something disturbing.
That's right.
Little white on white crime on a baseball field the other day.
That's right.
When Jonathan Papelbon choked out Harper.
Bryce the bro. That's bro on bro violence right there.
That's bro on bro violence, bro.
They both definitely were like, bro. No fucking way, bro.
Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro.
Are you fucking kidding me, bro?
Are you broing?
Bro, who are you Bro, are you fucking directing words at me this way, bro?
Bro, are you talking to me? Because I don't see any other bros around, so you must be talking to me, bro.
Bro.
I will end you, bro.
I'll end you,
I will end you. I'll fucking end you. I will rip off your head and I will shit in your neck.
I know Papelbon is a bro. He should change his name to Papel Bro.
Papel Bro.
I know he's a bro because after the whole shit went down, they separated them and he had that wild, like, douchey smile.
Yeah.
Like, fuck with me, bro. You fuck with Papel, bro. Get the bond, bro.
All right? Fuck with the bull, get the horns.
You fucking idiot.
Oh,
Can't wait for Bryce to sign with the Yankees in 2030.
It's going to be great. The Nats don't deserve him. Everyone who was great should be a Yankee.
That's right.
And I'm not saying that as a Yankee fan. I'm just saying that because it's good for baseball.
That's right.
Look at Ali shaking her head. Ali's a Philly fan, but she's really from Philly. They should play for the Phillies.
Remember when Cliff Lee spurned the Yankees to go
Remember
play
when
with
I
the Phillies?
spit on Cliff Lee's wife at Yankee Stadium? That may or may not have actually happened. Oh, no. Shout out, your Phillies. 09, remember that? Yeah, we're going to talk about it. Remember when Cliff Lee did the wild douchebag no-hand catch of like a pop-up where he was like killing us in game 1?
Yeah. Fuck him. Where's he at now?
Yeah. He's gone.
He's like, I'm actually in my huge mansion.
I'm worth $40 million.
Weird town in Georgia. He's like in fucking Kalamazoo, Georgia and shit, and like, a fucking plantation.
Your little broke jokes in the beginning of your little podcast? Yeah. I'm listening to this on Bose speakers in like my 3rd living room. But you always knew Papelbon was a dick.
Yeah.
Remember he was on the Red Sox?
That plays for the Red Sox is a dick.
Everyone.
Come on.
Manny Ramirez gets a pass.
He gets a pass.
He gets a pass because he's what? Dominican. Even though
Poppy.
he did throw an elderly man to the ground. Rest in peace, Don Zimmer.
Pedro bodied Don Zimmer, and I respected the shit out of him.
Oh, man.
I was like, listen.
Oh, that was Pedro, right?
Yeah, it was Pedro.
That was racism me. I got Pedro and Manny confused. But it happens, you know? It happens.
They may or may not have driven a cab in their life.
Oh, man, we're in Aldo shoes. But yeah, everyone that's been, like, who's the Kurt Schilling?
Man.
You know what?
Have you seen Kurt Schilling's Facebook page?
Have you seen Kurt Schilling's Facebook page?
I don't know why I would know about the internet.
The internet. And also we're Yankee fans, and Yankee fans don't let shit go.
Oh, no,
so
never.
We're still like stalking the Red Sox. Mm-hmm. Kurt Schilling's Facebook page looks like it's curated by Ben Carson.
Yo,
like
seriously.
it just like he is finding like the most exquisite anti-Muslim memes.
His Facebook page, if you type in
IHateMuslims.com.
Dog, just like racistgrandma.com.
Racist grandma
redirects to his fucking Facebook page.
Obama, so subreddit. Grandma Obama forwards. I got like
Grandma Obama forwards.
Oh man, it's
killing our country.
It's killing our country.
Yeah, no, but Bryce Harper got choked out and then proceeded to just go, I don't know, have sex with a million groupies, count money. He's
chilling.
I don't know.
He's chilling.
Convert his currency from dollars to euros for no reason.
But you know what it is?
What do you do when you have that much money, dog? Like, these motherfuckers have so much money.
Yeah.
Like, yo, I don't know, man.
What's a lot of money to you? Like, what price point is now you're like, I'm good?
I think $500,000 a year after taxes, I'm like, yo, I'm straight. You know what I'm saying?
$500,000 a year?
After taxes.
After taxes?
Yeah. Like, I'm playing with
I mean, like, what a lump sum, one big check.
Oh, somebody just gives you one big check?
One big check.
Man, I don't know. A couple million. Got to be a bunch of millions.
Look at you. Who are you?
To be like, yo, I'm fucking rich?
To be like a couple millions.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, like, you realize 2 years ago, 10,000.
I would have been like 5,000.
$10,000 would have changed your life.
I would have been like, yo, 5,000 would have. I would have took a loan out, 89% interest, for $10,000.
3 years ago, if I found $20 on the street, I would have cried.
Oh, son.
That would have been duck sauce on an egg roll.
You know how garbage that was, dog? I found.
I don't even wake up now for 400. Yes, I found an egg roll. They gave me an egg roll. I did not want my Chinese food. I threw that shit away. I was like, I didn't ask for this, Miss Joy.
I'm good. Back in the day, I would have left that shit in my fridge for 6 months and then ate it.
I would have had it on Christmas morning.
Come on,
looking
man.
out for it. Like,
Listen,
yo,
you too can live like Salvatore Ferragamo. Ooh. You know what I'm saying?
Yo.
Shout out to all my watch niggas that got that Jay-Z line.
Got that Jay-Z line, all right? Guns N' Roses, produced by Heavy D. Rest in peace, Heavy D.
Yo, word. Mount Vernon, what's up?
Mount Vernon, stand up.
Mount Vernon Target.
Mount Vernon Target, Stanford Boulevard. Lots of hills and lots of AIDS.
Mount Vernon Target is like, fuck, I don't even, yo. It's
no Mount Vernon Target slander, because that's my target.
Shout out to Mount Vernon Target.
That's the only target.
So you ask niggas if they work there, they're like.
They don't have on red shirts. Be like, yo, do I look like I work here? I'm like, yo, well, from your fuzzy dreads, I'd imagine
well,
so.
sir, you're wearing a red polo under your True Religion jean jacket, so. Mount Vernon motherfuckers have True Religion jean suits.
Yo, shout out to Target employees that make you rethink when you ask for products and shit. You be like, yo, where's this? You got the like Dial soap. They was like, yo, what? You're really using Dial, my nigga?
Oh.
Really? I didn't know it was that kind of thing, Yo,
you know how to not. When I walk up to them, I'm like, yo, son, where is diapers? And they're like, I'm like, never mind. You know what I'm saying? Because they're like, yo, it's 6C. And they send you all the way to the end of the shit. And I'm like, dog, I didn't ask for dog food and window cleaner. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. My favorite Target story was when the guy was like, yo, if you go on the website and Google it, you can find out the location of the store. I was like, did you just send me to Target.com to find out a product that you put on the show? Malik.
I called you, nigga. Fuck.
Oh, man.
Why are you doing this to me?
Right? I need these hemorrhoid medicines, and I don't want to go on the Wi-Fi to find them.
I don't.
Okay? My shit's hurting. Do me a favor. Use your knuckle, push that thing back in.
Shout out to Target. Yo, if you follow me on Twitter, I often live tweet me going to Target extremely high with my children. You know what I'm saying? It's mad fun. To go. They got crazy foods at Target, man. They got shit like niggas don't. They got exclusive snacks at Target, man.
Like what?
For all my smokers. You know what I'm saying?
I love in just 2 lines, you've twice referenced smoking weed and your children at Target. Like children's services is listening to this and ringing all the notes.
Yo, Target's
all the notes.
I'm gonna die. Or listen, God is smiling upon me. Target could pick me up and be like, yo, we want you for a national ad campaign.
Nope.
In Colorado.
Nope.
I'm walking through a vape of Target in Denver vaping. Looking at bed skirts.
I'm not going to Target. Who's this husky Latino on my screen? I don't want to shop where he shops.
Is that Jared Dudley?
Who is that guy? Are those children in danger?
Yo, can I ask you a question? This is not on the topic sheet, but I want to ask you guys. It's a diverse cast in here right now. It's diverse. So I went apple picking. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. All right. Okay. Stop my time. He said diverse cast and then said apple picking. Well, one of these things is not like the other.
Yo, listen, we're writing a musical. Me and Lin-Manuel Miranda. Apple picking the musical. Who's gonna freak it? Desus is in it. Samuel L. Jackson. Victor's in it. He plays George Washington.
Tired of these motherfucking apples on these motherfucking trees.
So I went apple picking, right? You know what I'm saying? Did the whole shit, drove up there. Car got mad dusty. It's all good, you know what I'm saying? Taking a detail because I'm flossing like that.
Wow.
Picked some apples, you know what I'm saying? Went to the country store because it's like a whole thing. It's like they got the apples, they got pony rides, they got everything. So I took the kids pony rides, get your face painted. Oh, your Spider-Man shit looks mad cool. Don't get it on my shirt. And we go into the country store and my wife is buying things, you know what I'm saying? And she goes and pays for them.
Right.
My mother-in-law's there. They walk out of the store. They leave the debit card behind. I'm standing right there, and they leave, and I turn around like, oh, shit. And the lady at the register's like, ma'am, your card. And I was like, oh, I'll take that. And the lady dead looked me in my face and was like, nah. I was like, yo. I was like, that's my wife. I was like, we're here together. Like,
dog, you have on a hat with a 100 emoji right now. I would not give you any kind of debit card. I would give you a deactivated debit card. Okay? Only way I'd give you a debit card if I run it over a magnet a couple times, dog, like here.
I felt some type of way, dog. And that's why I was like, yo, is that right? She was like, yeah, probably.
Yeah, but you know what the thing is? You don't even realize it. Like, maybe 80% of the time that people see you and your wife, they think your wife is in danger.
It's like
they think she's like under a home invasion or some shit.
It's Stockholm Syndrome. I've heard of this.
Blink if you're in trouble. That's so fucked up. Why does it have to be like that in America?
Yo.
And I say that, and then I'm going to say some wild racist shit in the next line. So.
Fuck it.
Like, interracial marriage is bad. But yeah, so
I
agree, Ben Carson. I agree. Have you ever dissected the brain of an interracial couple?
It's
not
flawed.
It's not right. It's not natural.
It has various flaws. I mean,
The curvature is not correct.
can Jeb Bush tell you that? No, he cannot.
He's not a doctor.
He's not. He sniffed Matt Yay. in
I
Miami.
use these hands to fix brains and pleasure your wife.
We're still at the point where we gotta kind of embellish
still
a
gotta
little
lie.
bit. A little
That's
bit of
the shit.
embellishment.
You know what the thing is?
Not lying. I like the word embellishment better.
Embellishment.
It sounds better because
we're
niggas
not-
don't know what it means.
We're a space where we're famous, but we're not famous.
Yeah.
And somebody said to me, they was like, yo, y'all are like B-list. I was like, dude,
Whoa.
you don't
Thank
know how
you.
the list works.
I was like, yo,
Okay.
on what alphabet? What
I was
alphabet
like,
is that? The
yo,
Phoenician alphabet?
No way. The Macedonian alphabet, okay? I was like, we are not even close to maybe like the B's for the blood gang or something. Like
Flavor
no.
Flav will get in somewhere before us.
Hell yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah.
One of the Duggars will get in somewhere before us.
So you understand, like, name the most watched celebrity you know, and they
Come
got
on.
more pull than us.
Son, think about it.
Vanessa Hudgens, is she popping?
She's popping.
She's popping right now.
She's dog.
Is she?
I
where's
don't
she?
even know who Demi Lovato is. If
I
she's
don't
on the
know
cover
who-
of magazines and shit, she'll definitely get somewhere before
Oh,
us.
definitely.
Come on.
I have no idea who Demi Lovato. She's all over Twitter. People love her. She used to cut herself when she used to have an eating disorder,
Oh.
and so like little
damn.
girls relate to her.
Okay.
Like I thought the cutting was hot because I had an ex-girlfriend.
Whoa!
Cool. No, don't cut yourself, kids. It's very bad.
It's
Kilos
our
are
best
terrible.
bad. Yeah, kilos are terrible.
Unless you're gonna watch.
Man,
It's
I'm
like, whoa,
attractive.
okay. But yeah,
Like,
we're
I'm to the
not.
frat.
We're not that. We got a lot of our life stories that you hear on here are lies because we're not famous enough for that stuff. Because like yesterday I went to a Rangers game preseason. Yes. And I walked in there and I'm
On the
like,
glass, though.
I'm expecting them to come through with the camera like
Listen.
in the house. Desus nice.
You don't
'Cause
gotta
I'm like,
be
yo,
humble, my nigga.
there's 6 black people here.
Yeah.
It's either me or JB Smooth. Put
Yeah.
me on the camera.
Come on,
It
though.
gotta be.
Listen.
No.
Is that J.B. Chappelle? Is that his name?
It's like, it's who? Is that
Is that it?
Mace?
Is that it?
Is that Kanye?
Is that right?
Is that Denzel?
Is that right? I'm every Spanish dude in the world.
Dog.
I'm Joel Ortiz. I'm fucking also every light skinned black dude.
Yeah.
So I'm Jared Dudley. I'm also Joel Ortiz. I'm a diabetic Will Smith. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm everybody. You know what I'm saying?
In the same day, I got called DMX and Denzel. So you do the math on that one.
What?
You do the math on that. And it's just like, okay. Okay, so you either think I'm going to jail or
Yeah.
I'm about to land the shit out of a plane.
You know, has anybody ever called you be like, yo, you look like so and so, and it's like, yo, that's not a compliment.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. Every now and then someone will be like, yo, you look in the mirror. Got him. Got him. Oh man.
oh, it's so great.
That's great. Let's
Yeah,
go
so
back.
yo, that's it, guys. Episode 3. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what I'm
Episode
saying?
3.
Yeah, a little extra couple inches for you.
Pause. Little audio foreskin in your ear.
Inches of tape, guys. Come on.
Inches of tape, you know. As always, it's been lit.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Red Bull Studios 220, West 18th Street. Shout out to Super Engineer Jill.
Yeah.
Shout out to Wardrobe Mafia in
Yes.
the house. Listen to us be misogynistic.
That's right.
Shout out to Victor with the wild, actually, Victor DeGrasse Tyson over here. Looking up shit and like, yo, that's not the case. Actually, centimeters don't go directly into meters.
Yeah.
And
But these dudes, they both have non-Apple phones, so they're like basically docking their dicks together. Like, yo, our phones are so droids.
yeah,
droid gang.
Yeah, but you know what? We're docking our dicks together. We got $50 in our pocket. We didn't just buy some charger cord. All right?
Oh, I love
Take
it.
that. Shout out to all my
that.
Team Green Bubble out there. Bang Bang Samsung gang. Bang Bang Droid gang.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Stay blue. Stay blue. Yo,
Be sure to check us on iTunes and Stitcher and
right.
YouTube and coming out of Honda CRX going down East Tremont at like 4 p.m. and they're just blasting it. And you're like, why are they cursing?
why is the hood primer?
But yes.
Yes. Also, at RB Studios NY on Instagram and Twitter.
Also, shout out to Red Bull for all the love. That's right. Yeah, people are like, yo, y'all sound charged up in here. Yo, dog, we had like 6 Red Bulls.
I butt chugged the lemon one. Just
I'm
now.
literally standing on a wall as you're speaking. Okay? Red Bull gives you wings. Episode 3, Bodega Boys. We in the building.
Holla.